G'day guys, Craig here from White Magic, here to introduce to you the White Magic Crevice Brush. This is a brush that allows you to scrub away the dirt in those areas that you normally cannot reach with traditional sponges and brushware. It has a slimline design and it has thousands of stiff bristles that allow you to clean dirt that is trapped in gaps, cracks and crevices all over the home. The head of the brush is 13 centimeters long, it's 2 centimeters deep, but it's only 0.3 centimeters wide. This enables you to clean into those really hard to reach spots all over the home. The head has a 30-degree taper, which allows you to clean easily down into gaps and joins. And the handle has a beautiful rubberized feel, which means it's really ergonomic to hold on for extended periods, so you don't get any tension in your wrist or your hand. When it's dirty, it's really easy to clean. You just simply throw it in the top row of the dishwasher, or if you don't have a dishwasher, a little bit of warm soapy water and then let air dry. It's got a nice little storage loop at the top, which makes it easy to store between uses. So let's find all those hard to reach places in your home where you can use this crevice brush. The big one is your window and door tracks. The window and door tracks are very small and narrow, but they need to be maintained and cleaned regularly, or the wheels on your windows and your door mechanisms will wear out and they'll have to get replaced more often. Let's talk about the kitchen. The kitchen is full of greasy and wet items which need to be maintained. First place, cooktop. Your cooktop is constantly spitting up grease and oil, so you need to maintain around your knobs, around the cooktop edge and the splashback. The sink, spitting up water, you need to maintain around the taps, the edge of the sink and the backsplash. You can now. How about your dishwasher? You can now maintain your dishwasher seal, you can clean your detergent dispenser, your pre-wash compartment, your rinse aid dispenser, and your sump and filter area. Let's talk about your refrigerator. The refrigerator has a seal that needs to be maintained for peak performance. You can now maintain it. You can clean around the shelf and tray edges, as well as the corners of the fruit and crisper tray. Moving to the bathroom, you can maintain the shower, bath and vanity taps. You can clean around the crevices of the toilet seat, and if you have 2 young boys like I do, you know all about that. Plus you can clean the grout lines in your bath and shower. Moving to the laundry, you can clean around the laundry taps and you can maintain the seals of your washing machine and dryer. Finally, how about all those impossible to reach places in your car, boat and caravan? All right guys, keep your toothbrush for your teeth and use the crevice brush instead to maintain all those impossible to reach spots in your home today. If you have any questions, contact us at White Magic HQ. Thanks for watching.